This lecture is about the term of a copyright, that is the duration that a copyright is going to last. So the very first point to note is that the copyright in a work does not last for perpetuity, that is, it does not last forever. So well, the saying that nothing lasts forever is definitely applicable to copyrights. So the main idea that you need to understand is that the owner of a copyright is not going to have that right forever and ever, and instead that right is granted for a limited time only, and that time, that is the term of protection granted to a copyright in Pakistan, is the life of the author plus 50 years. So this statement is pretty easy to understand because the 50-year period essentially is counted from the year following the death of the author. But please note that in most other countries, generally the copyright term, that is the period of protection, is usually the life of the author plus 70 years and not just 50 years. And just in case this phrase, that is the life of the author, is not clear to you, let me explain it quickly. So essentially it means that the copyright protection is granted throughout the life of the author and then for 50 years after the author's death. So let's say that you are an author of a novel, and at the time that the novel is published, let's say that you are already 50 years old. So, and presuming that you go on to live until the age of 70, so that's going to be until the age of 70 means 20 years while you are alive, and then another 50 years after your death. So for a total of 70 years, you will have the copyright protection of your novel. And in this same lecture, I would like to elaborate on the point as to what happens to a copyright when you die. And obviously, while we are alive, nobody wants to think about death. But well, death is something that all of us have to face sooner or later, eventually. So if you are an author or a creator, and if you think you own copyright in any piece of work, then it's a good idea that the piece of work that you have put so much effort in creating should not only reap benefits for yourself in monetary terms, but also for your heirs, that is your successors. So what you need to understand is that copyright is an IP right, that is an intellectual property right, which is like any other property you own. So what normally happens is that ownership of your copyright is going to be transferred to your heirs. So for instance, maybe your spouse or your children, or for example, if you are unmarried, then to your other family members and relatives. And of course, if you're smart enough to create a will during your lifetime, then you can specify the particular person or the particular people who you wish to transfer your ownership to. And of course, the legal term for these people who you mention in your will is a beneficiary or beneficiaries. However, the important point to understand is that after your death, the copyright term will still expire after 50 years if you're in Pakistan and 70 years in most other countries. So that means that even the person to whom the copyright gets transferred to is also not going to be able to enjoy the copyright forever. In other words, after the author's death, the copyright term will expire after a certain number of years, either 50 or 70, depending on what country you're based in. Now please note that the term of protection is different for works that are made for hire, and there will be a separate lecture on this topic. But for now, just remember that the term of protection is not the same for works that are made for hire. But for now, let's conclude this particular lecture. So in short, after a copyright expires, the work can be used by anyone without any cost or without first obtaining the permission of the original creator or author, and an author or creator can transfer their ownership of the copyright to other people. And just in case you're not clear about what transferring ownership of a copyright means, then that will be explained in another video lecture.